Who is this course for? You. Yeah, that's it. It's for you. Now, going on a little bit more deeper than that, those working in construction who want to level up their careers. Maybe you are already working for a company as a construction project manager, and you're not looking to go get a contractor's license per se or start your own company, but you want to level up your knowledge and your skill. This course is for you. Or maybe you want to become a project manager. Maybe you've been doing construction and you like the idea of potentially being the supervisor or superintendent, managing the whole process. You geek out on all the different steps, and that's something that excites you. Well, this is going to be that course for you. Here's the beautiful thing. You don't need a degree. That's right. You heard me. You need the qualified knowledge and skill, and we're going to give you the knowledge, and then you can go out and get the skill if you don't have that. All right? You don't even need a contractor's license. Isn't that beautiful? That's great. You can go work for companies making anywhere from $90,000 a year to $400,000 a year. No degree required. So yeah, you don't have to spend $100,000, $200,000 going to university to get a degree when you can get this certification course that's going to level you up in your future. Now, the other thing is, maybe you're here and you just want to learn more about construction project management. This is going to do that. Hey, keep in mind, the stakes are high, but good managers are needed. I hear it all the time. Okay, so make sure you know that. Now, what are you going to learn in this course? This is great. I love this. So basically everything. Except for origami. We're not going to teach that. That's for a whole nother program. But all joking aside, so planning projects, the pre-setup, the post-setup, safety in construction, management construction equipment. So how do you manage that? How do you take care of that? How do you make sure that all the equipment is there necessary, whether it's cranes or forklifts or all the proper tools and saws, to make sure that everything's there so when your staff arrive, they're able to get the project done without wasting money. Materials management. I can't tell you how many times. In fact, I was working on a project, a hotel in Northern California, and this superintendent sent 40 drywallers to re-drywall the inside of an entire 10-story hotel on the Santa Cruz Beach boardwalk, and he forgot to order the drywall. That's thousands of dollars of mistake. So managing those materials properly, right? Scheduling, making sure you have the right equipment at the right time, the right people, the right materials, the right safety precautions put in place. There's so many amazing details in that you're going to learn about to help level you up. Communication. How to communicate effectively with shareholders. We even provide some training in this program on how to communicate with your staff, your team, of course employees, that's the same thing as staff, but your actual employees that are doing the physical work out there on the particular project. How to communicate with the owners and the lenders and the banker and the employer who hired you for this particular process, right? Time management, because hey, time is money. The more you waste of it, the more you lose money, and you don't want to lose money. Financial management is really one of the key components to a successful project, and financial management, ladies and gentlemen, is done in more than just numbers on a piece of paper. Financial management is how fast your team gets a particular project done. If two people can get something done in 2 hours, but it takes them 4 hours, maybe some retraining needs to be done, because those hours wasted are money lost within your company. So proper training throughout that process. We're going to go through that. We're also going to go through starting and completing your project. What does that look like? What are the details that you need to know when it comes to getting that project started, and then wrapping it up tightly and doing it well so that the client is happy, the subcontractors are happy, the employees are happy, and everybody walks away there singing, "Oh joy, happy is the day that we completed this project." There's a lot more. I want you to go ahead and dive in. There's a whole table of contents when you get the program. We're going to walk you through, but I just want you to know we cover everything you need to be a great construction project manager.